Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can wrap text around the image in Microsoft Word. Okay, so let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word, and here we have some text here. So let me start the steps. First we need to go to the insert and insert your image from your device. Okay, I just insert this one. Okay, now you can minimize the size like this, and now select that image again. Go to the picture format, go to the wrap text and just select that square. Okay, or you can also select the image, or you can also select that same option from here, layout option, the square, or you can use any other text wrapping. So if you want to wrap around the text, wrap around the image, then you can select that square only. Okay, you need to select this only. Now you can increase the size, you can move image anywhere like this. Okay, and you can see this line is not perfect, so you can justify it. Select the text box or text like this. Under the paragraph you can see this option called justify. Just select that. Now you can see all text has been looks very professional. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.